Hello guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing good. Today I'll quickly do a unboxing of BOBO mobile holder which I have ordered it from Amazon. Let's see what all things we get from BOBO mobile holder. It's a without charger one. I have inbuilt charger in my Honda CB350, so I don't require that. So I've ordered this one. Let's see how it looks and what all things we get from the box. I got this on discount. I think you can also get it on discount. It's costed me around 1,199. Yeah. Uh, yeah. This is the invoice. Yeah. So what all things we have in it? So we have the main unit, which is without charger, and we have rear view mirror mount, which is especially for scooters, where you can mount it in the mirror. And yeah, we have 32 mm dial metal buckle for bike handler. So this is a this one is I would say standard one. You can fit it on any bikes, irrespective of what model or what company you have. Yeah, that's it guys. Let's open this box and see what we have in out here. So we have join BOBO VIP club, register your purchase and get following benefits. So you will have a 6-month warranty and joining bonus of 500 rupees in case you buy any product. I mean, from the same brand, you will get 500 rupees discount. Yeah. So first, for that you need to register your purchase so that you can get the discount. Let's keep this aside. So what we have out here. Yeah. Okay. This one is, I think, the one for the scooter. You can mount it on the mirrors. Yeah. Okay, so we have 3M tape, this Allen key, yeah, for it's a useful one, and we have this holder. I think this Allen key will help you guys to open this thing, and so that you can fit it on your bike. Let's do that later. So this one is the actual the phone holder. It's yeah, it's, you can open this with the screw it has. It will give you some space. Whatever model you have, you can likewise fit the phone and just unscrew it tightly so that it fits properly in your bike. Yeah, you can. So that's it guys. So this one, again, I told you, this one is not with charger. This is a without charger one. So with charger, I think it will cost you around like more 500 or 600 rupees, the with charger one. Yeah. Okay, so I'll fit in the bike and I'll show you guys how it looks. And yeah, that's it guys. A quick review. Do let me know if you guys have any doubt. And I think most of I've seen a lot of reviews of this mobile holder. I think most of them use this one or the RAM, which is a bit costly. I would say it comes around like 5,000 or 6,000 rupees. I think I don't require that. This suits my budget, so I went with this one. I think it will be very helpful for the ride. I do a weekend ride every week. So at church it should be very helpful, because we tend to take a break and see the map and follow the map. I think this will help me to ride without stopping for looking the map and understanding which direction we should go. Yeah, that's it, guys. I think I'll finish this video. If you guys any comments or any doubt, please do let me know in the comment section. And once again, thanks for watching, and please do subscribe if you are new to my channel. You'll get similar content, the travel videos which I do on a weekly basis, and the product reviews which I have and which I own, the bike accessories and all those things. You'll get to see more stuffs in the upcoming weeks and months. So stay tuned and please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.